Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to record your Zoom meeting on Zoom. So it's super simple. Let's say you get a Zoom meeting link or you start a new meeting. That's what we're going to do now. And that's me right there. I'm going to click join with computer audio and then I want to record the meeting. So on this menu bar right here, you could see that there's a record button. I'm going to press on it.
Recording in progress.
And now this meeting is being recorded. So once you're done recording this meeting, you can go onto the top right corner and then you can click stop recording.
Recording stopped.
And then as soon as this meeting ends, we click on end meeting. And now the recording will be converting and it'll pop up into your Finder right over here. And so you've just recorded this Zoom meeting and you can press on it. And here is the recording. And you can do whatever you want with it. You can put it into a file and put it anywhere you'd like onto your computer. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helped.